Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how to deep clean your gas hob top. I hope this video will motivate to clean your gas hob. If you enjoy watching my videos, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more home related videos. So let's get into the video. This is my Prestige Hob Top Tree Burner. I like this hob, but only drawback is cleaning. I find very difficult to clean this hob as I cannot reach every corner of this particular hob top. As I am busy mama, I cannot deep clean them every week. I deep clean once or twice in a month. So these are the products which I use while deep cleaning. Here I have used both natural cleaning products and also store-bought products. For product details, check my description box below. Here at first I am going to spray this Lysol kitchen cleaner spray all over the hob, and for those tough stains I am going to use the Schiff surface cleaner, then scrub them with this steel brush and leave them as such for 10 to 15 minutes. After a 10 to 15 minutes, now I am going to spray some kitchen cleaner and wipe them with this microfiber wipes. After that, I am going to deep clean these knobs as they accumulate lot of dirt, so don't forget to deep clean them as well. As now I am going to wipe those burner as they had tough stains. Now you can see how easily stains have been gone. Don't use these harsh chemicals on daily basis as they may cause health hazards to you and your family. I use this chemical once in a month. You can substitute these chemicals with the natural cleaning agents like baking soda and vinegar. Just mix them both and your cleaning solution is ready. If you're not a fan of vinegar smell, then add some essential oil that will help your kitchen smell good as well. Okay, here now I'm going to deep clean those burners and pan support stands. What I do is into a deep vessel I add enough of boiling water, some baking soda and also vinegar. Don't forget to add dishwashing liquid as I forgot, then added it later. Then I put them together for at least an hour and keep them for soaking, so that those tough stains loosen up a bit. After soaking them for an hour, I just scrub them with a metal brush and wash them thoroughly. Here ends the video. I hope this video is helpful. If you like my content, then don't forget to subscribe. Please do share my videos and hit the like button. We'll come soon with another video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.